When I think chaos, I think frustration. I'm not sure if anyone has that. Frustration. Yeah. Whoa, nice. The Big Bang. Yeah, chaos. Hey, I like that. That one is interesting. When you think chaos, you think no leadership. Interesting. When you okay, you think problems. Yes, disorder, unpredictability, messy situation. Yeah. Being untidy. Yeah, mayhem for sure. Yeah, yeah. I'm with you on that. I'm with you on that. On chaos. You know, yeah, yeah. Chaos, chaos, yeah. What else? What else? Okay, we have explosion. We have. I'm still thinking when I think chaos. I have one. I have one. I mean, this opportunity. When I think chaos, I think opportunity. What about that? Have you thinking there, right? Opportunity. When I think chaos, I think opportunity. Yeah. That's some deep stuff there, right? Yeah. When I think chaos, I think opportunity. Who is with me on that? Who is with me on that? Yeah, I think opportunity, right? Yeah. What about that, guys? I think um chaos to me means not sure. Okay, frustration. Anything else, guys? Anything else that we can include? I think that's it. That's it. All right. I think our brains can do no more, right? Yeah, chaos. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. Hold on. Stick up in, guys. Stick up in. Stick up in. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me, guys. Um, I want to take the point. Adrian said when he thinks chaos, he thinks productivity. All right, I'm gonna include that. Right, I want to include that point. Probably use it later on. Productivity. Oh my, getting too old for this. Nice, good. No, here's the thing. Here's the $1 million question now. Here's the $1 million question. What opportunity does chaos bring for leaders? Yeah, if at all. Does chaos bring opportunity for leaders and managers? That's my question. Yeah, it's important. Does chaos bring opportunity for leaders and managers? Tell me. Does it? Yeah, I need to know. I need to know. We can't just you see, we can't just let chaos pass by, right? And don't learn anything from it. What are your thoughts? Okay, what you all laugh here now? Yes, it's an opportunity to showcase. Ah, Mohammed, go to the head of the coffee shop, Mohammed. That is the point I was trying to bring out. That is why this whole chaos thing came up, right? And we're going to talk about the chaos theory in more detail, right? And the butterfly effect. But Mohammed, you're right. There are managers, CEOs who I mean, they do well. I have an example, right? Take for instance the Prime Minister of New Zealand. We saw some exceptional leadership there. The pandemic and the chaos that it brought allowed allowed the world to see leadership, and we saw leadership in the Caribbean as well. All right, in treating with the pandemic. All right, you had countries like Trinidad and Tobago, you had Barbados, right, in the early part of the pandemic, right, and other countries. You had other territories like Taiwan and so on, right? So chaos is like a wild horse, Aman says, and a rare leader can tame it and use it to the best of his or her advantage. You a poet. I love the metaphor. I love the metaphor or the metaphors. Very good, Aman. Very good. Let me read that again. Chaos is like a wild horse, and the real leader can tame it and use it to the best of the advantage. I love it. I love it. I love it. You all seeing the connection? Are you seeing the connection? Are you seeing the connection there, guys? Yeah. Chaos brings opportunity. Some people feed off of chaos. They love it. They love it. They're just there. They love when chaos comes to them. All right? And I would say this. Do not run from chaos. Do not run from it. Samantha, do not run from it. Mohammed, never run from chaos. Stand up and treat with it. All right? Because it will test your ability. It will test your ability or your strength. It will test your endurance. All right? Adrian says it is important to observe and plan accordingly during chaos. Yes, it reminds you that you need to plan. Right? So important is chaos in leadership. All right? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Are you all there with me? I love this. I love this. You all did well. You all did well. 1 2 1 2. I think you recognize what we're trying to achieve. So all this here, all the terms we have here: confusion, domination, havoc, bad planning. All right, anarchy. Here comes the leader to save the day, right? And to bring a sense of resolve and a sense of calm to the situation. All right? That's what we want. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.